Welcome to the holy city of Tanjore. The Brihadeshwar temple is an ancient Hindu temple located at Tanjore in the state of Tamil Nadu. This 10th century Chola Empire temple, one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Sites, is a brilliant example of the Dravidian style of temple architecture. The Brihadeshwar temple was built by the great ruler Rajaraja Chol I of the Chola dynasty. The main deity of worship is Lord Shiva. The temple is the great Nandi or the stone bull. The Nandi that figures at the entrance is immense in size. It is also a popular belief that it is growing by the day. The ceilings of its enclosures is decorated with frescoes in the typical style of Tanjore. The Nandi weighs 27 tons and it is the second largest in the world. Or the main tower of the temple, the Shikhar or the crown, an octagonal carved cupola, itself is very large and heavy and was thought to be carved out of a single stone. However, during one of the cleaning efforts, it was found to be in two pieces. The task of carrying this huge crown to a height of 70 meters is another feat worth mentioning. In order to do this, an inclined plane of sand was built from a distance of nearly 11 kilometers. The place where this scaffold began is called Sarap Pallam.
The goddess of perfection, the mother of all names and forms. She deludes the world with her illusion and conjures up the magic of creation, preservation, and destruction.
us look at some interesting facts about the temple. The height of the Viman is 342 feet. Add 3, 4 and 2 and you will get 9. The total number of Shivlings in this temple is 108. Add 1, 0 and 8, you will again get 9. The weight of the Shikhar, which is kept at the top of Viman, is 81 tons. The sum is again 9. Amazing, isn't it? This temple is well known for the fact that the shadow of the Shikhar does not fall on the ground. But when we search deep into books, we got to know that the shadow falls twice a year.
महादेवा जटाधारी शंकरा सत्य रचिता नीलकंठा प्रलयदाता ईश्वरा रुद्र रूपा महादेवा जटाधारी